Oh, that's good. But you start rolling first so we don't...
Yeah.
Time and clear.
Go ahead.
And I gotta remember which way I have to counter with my steering. Oh, right.
Gear up, flaps up.
That's a great jet. And it holds its presence for a small jet.
Yeah.
Look at that. Even better when you put the drop top on. Main thing, I want to see the sound here.
Oh yeah, because that thing fucked the wrong way.
Still there.
Sounds fine. Come on, trim.
Damn, it's that off.
Yeah. There we go.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Like that contrast.
Yeah, popping. That's sweet. Baddest sky ever. Ooh, I want to see how to get those yellow poppies over there.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Dude, you're way the hell over there.
I'm trying to get this to back out.
There we go.
I wasn't even tripping off your ass. I'm trying to get those yellow poppies.
Alright, where are you? There you are.
12 seconds.
Oh, that's right, we were trying to. What are you doing?
Waiting for you. I'll come back.
Okay, now let's try some formation. I was just doing some
10,
pretty shit for the camera.
9,
I'm gonna follow
8,
you.
7,
Lead it, baby.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
You want to Lancers out?
No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. I'm flying. I've been flying low throttle.
Nice.
I can tell when it slows down.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's still good. Oh, you went around it.
Even if you do it once, it's okay. But when you do it like right on it, a little low.
Right. Why is it that out of trim? Jesus.
Yeah, your shit's wacky, huh?
Well, I know that.
Sitting in your car for a few
Yeah,
days.
it's because it's been in there 2 days. More than that.
And it's been freezing, dude.
All right, I'm coming in.
1 minute over.
Because these are the 55Cs, they drop pretty quick.
Gear down. Landing
I think
flap.
this is one of those packs that the F5 went down with
Oh, really?
in the mud that one time.
Yeah, yeah. That's funny. Nice. Fucking didn't even hear that motherfucker.
Flaps up.
I think your little fix worked because it sounds good.
Great. Now I fucked the camera up on that last pass. Look at it.
Is it? What's
yeah,
it doing?
I went right over that.
Uh-oh.
So I probably wanted to get my
You're clear.
Yeah, that was done. Look at that. Man, the sky's so sweet.
And I don't think most of that's not going to come over here. Oh, now the wind switched. You're okay though.
Yeah, it don't matter.
Ooh, there you go. Another buttery landing.
I think yours was quieter.
Hey, they were both good. Who cares? Oh no, your camera's good. It's moving.
Okay, so
Yeah.
it lost it for about.
It looks like it's following it. Is it?
Green light. Oh yeah, it is
Yeah,
now.
it is. Okay.
So it got that.
Cool. Good stuff. Very cool. Do better.